Hey, what's up? We are back, but before I start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to add more videos. I know I'm a little slacking on the videos, but I'm trying to got a lot going on. Anyway, I'm back. My brother put me on to this Milwaukee Packout System, which is great for when you go camping, storing all your supplies in. He uses it a lot. I was hyped, so he hooked me up. So now, this is what I was using. Now I'm gonna switch to this and put all my stuff in there. And we go camping this weekend, see how it goes. So I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that I've seen a lot of videos of people using the Milwaukee Packout System. It's a little expensive, but it organized great for everything that you could possibly need when you go camping, whether it be cooking supplies, regular camping gear, whatever it is. This system is great. I'm gonna be using it. Like again, I was using these 3 big bins. Now I'm gonna get smaller and lighter and a little more, organized, friendly, because my brother's real organized. So I'm about to use this pack out system to repack my stuff, get ready for the weekend. See you on the next video.